Hello, welcome to Infinite Station. HTML, the language for building web pages. HTML tutorial 0 to 100. HTML styles and text formatting. HTML styles. Look at this example. The HTML style attribute. Setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax. The property is a CSS property. The value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. Background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. This example sets the background color for a page to powder ball. Let's do it. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the file and open folder. Select the project folder. Right click on the Explorer. index4.html. Okay. Press Ctrl B. Alright. Style, background color, powder ball. Write something, example h1. Alright. Text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. Okay. H1. Style, color, blue. You can also use background for this. For example, background color, black. Okay. Alright. Fonts. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element, like this example. Style font family career. Style font family Cardano. You can see the font has been changed. Text size. The CSS font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. Font size 13. Style font size 160%. Okay. Text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. Let's check it. Text align center, for example. This paragraph 2, style, text align center. Okay. Also see the source, view page source. This our code. Alright. Okay, chapter summary. Use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use background color for background color. Use color for text color. Use font family for text fonts. Use font size for text sizes. Use text align for text alignment. HTML exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Use the correct HTML attribute and CSS to set the color of the paragraph to blue. Okay. HTML text formatting. Look at this example. HTML formatting elements. In the previous chapter, you learned about the HTML style attribute. HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. HTML use elements like B and I for formatting output like bold or italic text. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. Most browsers will display HTML correctly even if you forget the end tag. B. Bold text, strong important text, I. Italic text, EM. Emphasized text, marked text, small text, del deleted text, ins or ins, inserted text, subscript text, superscript text. Okay. HTML and strong elements. The HTML element defines bold text without any extra important. The HTML strong element defines strong text with added semantic strong importance. Let's check it together. Or create a new. Okay. Okay. Want to use a bold text? We just okay. Let's write again. B. This is a bold text. Strong. Oh. Okay. HTML and EM element. The HTML element defines italic text without any extra importance. This text is italic. The HTML element defines emphasized text with added semantic importance. EM. All right. Can see Note: browsers display string as B and em as I. However, there is a difference in the meaning of these tags. B and I defines bold and italic text, but string and em means that the text is important. Okay? HTML small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text. Get this example. Okay? HTML mark element. The HTML mark element defines marked highlight text. Okay? HTML del or del element. The HTML del element defines deleted removed text. Let's check it together. You can see. HTML ins element. The HTML ins element defines inserted added text. Okay? HTML sub-element. The HTML sub-element defines subscripted text. Look at this example. Okay. HTML sub-element. The HTML sub-element defines superscripted text. Look at this example. Let's do it together. Alright. Okay, HTML exercises. Test yourself with exercises. Add extra importance to the word degradation in the paragraph below. HTML text formatting elements. B defines bold text. EM defines emphasized text. I defines italic text. Small defines smaller text. String defines important text. Sub defines subscripted text. Sub defines superscripted text. ins defines inserted text. del defines deleted text. Mark defines marked highlighted text. Okay, the end. Try to do exercises. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks and bye for now.